Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Many times we are having so many people around us. No doubt some might be helping us, but there are some people who create such a lot of problems in our life. Because of listening, trusting to them, we are occurring a lot of loss. Then whom to trust and whom not to trust? Today let me give you three types of people whom we should not trust. Because if we trust them, you are knowing we will never progress. We will be in trouble. And they will be just looking at us and just laughing. They never come to help us. Then whom we should not trust? Let me give you three types of people whom we should not trust. First, the people who tell lies. Because they will not at all trustworthy. And moreover, what happens, how we can find out? You may ask me, how we can find out that they are liars? See, they will tell you something today and tomorrow they will tell you something else. The same topic, while explaining, they will explain today is like this and that. And next day or after a few days when talking about the same situation, they will tell something else. So you will realize that they are not trustworthy at all, because listening to them, if you tell someone that it is like this and that, because those people have told you, you will be in trouble. The person who listens to you, he will tell what a liar he is. The things are like this and how he speaks. That is why first thing is, don't trust these people who tell lies. That is the first category. Second category, don't trust those people who don't keep their words. For example, they are in trouble, they will come to you and they will ask you, oh, help me with the 20,000. I will return you within a month. Within a month won't be crossed, they will tell you. And you feel that, okay, let him be, he is in trouble, you will give him. What 1 month, even years pass, they won't return your money at all. So in such people, they are not at all trustworthy. When you are in need, they will never come to your help. That is why you should never trust them. Not only about money, about any other help as well, anything in this, they will never keep their words. That is the second type. And third type of people are those who cheat you. There are so many people. So we should not trust such people. So these three types of people we should not trust. We should be far away from them. But sometimes what happens? It might be one of your relative, close relative, whom you can't avoid. Then you should be careful while talking to him, or what he tells you, that also how much it is reliable, you should understand. Now these three type of people we should not trust. Then whom you should trust? See, there are some people, they will help you even though they are in trouble, yet they will help you or they will keep up their words. Such people we can trust. Now, before trusting others, what about ourselves? How we should behave? First of all, we should be complete clean in and out. Complete clean in and out means our thoughts, everything should be clear, clean. We should not have any trouble, heaviness in our mind. If you are having something about someone in your mind for years together, no. Forget everyone. Forgive everyone. Forgive even yourselves. Even if you have done any mistake, it happens to every human. So forgive everyone. It makes your inner self clear. When you are clean from inside, mind, heart, everyone, you feel light. You feel happy. So, first of all, think about yourself, keep yourself clean, and next is learn to live in the present. Never think about past, this happened then, this happened that time, nothing. Forget it. As I told you, past is a cancelled check. It is of no use now. Future is a promissory note. Who knows? But today is hard cash which you can use. That is why always live in the present. There is no past, no future, only present. Live in the present. And one more important thing is, don't pay attention at others. What others talk about you, what they tell about you, no, don't pay any attention. Have self-belief. Believe yourself. Tell that you are your best friend. In any condition, whether anybody helps you or not, tell your own self that I am there always with you. I will be with you always. So be your own friend, and nobody else knows you as well as you are knowing yourself. So we should know ourselves better and don't expect anything from anybody else. Don't expect. Whatever I want, I will have, I will earn, I am happy. Have this state of mind and be in a happy mood. Be happy always. So having these things in your mind, you have to avoid or you should not trust these three type of people. Let me repeat once again. Those who tell lies. Because the people who tell lies, no, they don't have any character at all. They don't have any character. So, don't trust those who tell lies and don't trust those people who don't keep their words, who don't stand for what they talk. When you are in trouble, they will tell you, I will come and help you whenever you want, because you have helped them. But when you are in trouble, they will never turn at you. Such people, no. Then the third is those people who cheat. Always the big cheaters. Don't trust such people. So these three types of people you should not trust in your life. Have a good day.